Hello friends, welcome all to the Max lecture series. So in this series we are learning how to solve various functions under single integral. So let us look into the one more question. Before looking to the solution, don't forget to click that like button if you are really understanding the lecture whatever that I am delivering, and also share it with all our friends. So let us look into the solution for this function. Given it is the value of the integral, if you observe the question is the value of the integral 2 is a constant, 2 into integral of minus infinity to plus infinity sin 2 pi t by pi t into dt is equal to dash. Shall we start? See, given it is trigonometric function and a limit has been defined as minus infinity to plus infinity. Whenever trigonometric function will be given and the limits also defined from minus a to plus a, I asked you to check for even or odd function. So that property. Shall we do that? Yes. Now treat this whole function is your f of t. Here they have defined the entire function in terms of f of t. So I am also defining it in terms of f of t only. So f of t equal to, it is defined as sin 2 pi t upon pi into t. How to check whether the function is odd or even? Nothing, just replace t by minus t, that's all. This will give you sin 2 pi, in bracket t will be replaced by minus t divided by pi. Wherever we have t, we have to replace it by minus t. We know sin of minus theta will be giving you minus sin theta. So it will be minus sin 2 pi t. In the denominator also we have minus pi into t. So what will happen here? Minus minus will get cancelled. You will be receiving, once again we will be getting sin 2 pi t upon pi into t. What is this? This is equal to f of t. So the conclusion is f of minus t and f of t are equal to each other. It means the given function is said to be an even function. So when a function is said to be an even function, how will you redefine the limit? So we can once again take the limit. They have defined the limit as 2 into minus infinity to plus infinity sin 2 pi t upon pi into t into dt. I hope I am correct. So let us cross check once. Yes, sin 2 pi t divided by pi t into dt. So even function means it can be redefined as minus infinity to plus infinity can be defined 0 to infinity. We can consider one more 2. Already one 2 is lies in front of the integration. So now one more 2 will come. 2 into 2 will be multiplied. So the overall value will become 4. And see there in the denominator pi is constant. We can take it out. 4 by pi. I can define sin 2 pi t upon t into dt. Do you remember this property? If you exactly recollect the previous class lectures, I have been given one property. Integration of 0 to infinity, integration limit 0 to infinity, function sin a into t upon t into dt will always be equal to pi by 2. Do you remember? This property we saw already. It doesn't matter what value that you are having for a. Here they kept 2 pi t, but I said whatever it is, the whole value will be equal to pi by 2. Now we can simply replace this whole value by pi by 2. What you will be getting? If we will do that, in front of the equation we have 4 by pi. I am going to replace it by pi by 2. So automatically pi will get cancelled. 2 times of 2 will give you 4. So the correct answer is 2. Go back to the option, cross check whether 2 is there or not. To see that how simple our integration become finally. This is what I am telling. We can directly learn any concept from any chapters. The only thing is, while solving the problems, we need attention only for few problems. Very first, when you are starting the chapter, it's very important to observe some 30 to 40 problems carefully in order to get the complete idea. After that, automatically that knowledge will help you to crack all upcoming questions. This is all for this lecture. Remaining things we will see in the next class. Thank you all.